from Vegetarian. So today we're gonna make a mailbox, and it's part 1. So you need a box like this, and then you also need a marker, pencil, and a scissors and a pen. So now let's have a look here. I've just made these holes. Now you'll cut it. I've just used the marker and the pencil to make these holes. So now we cut it like this. Okay? And then after we're done cutting, we have to cut this one also. This is the side. So now we are done with like this. It's getting like this. So now we flip the box and go here. So with the scale, we'll take our marker. We'll mark it like this. From one end of the scale, we mark it till the end of it. And now with the same, we take like this. Like this, and now we make like a little box. And then using the same we will make holes like this. Next we take our scissor and cut. Now take this like this. And then we open it gently, and then we fold it like this so that it be an opening. So there we go, an opening, and over here also, an opening. So guys, if you like this video, like it, and if you would like to subscribe, then please subscribe this channel. So bye bye, see you in the next one.